Hi, today I'm working on a Mark II or 0.5 or a Mark II facelift Ford Focus. I'm going to remove this door, got a replacement door that I'm going to swap. So I'm going to show you how to replace the door card, how to place the door mirror, how to place the window regulator or the electric windows. I'm going to show you how to remove the switches on the door card. Anyway, let's get into this video. Here I've got a Ford Focus Mark II, it's the Mark 2.5, it's the one with the facelift doors. I don't know if you can see that, it has a ridge. I've had a scratch in that panel which I've been trying to repair, but I'm not happy with my repair work, so I bit the bullet and decided to swap the door. The door purchase has just been yanked off the car, so it's got damaged wiring, so I've got to swap the wiring from this door over onto my replacement door that I've got over there. So to remove the door card, first of all take this bottom plastic cover off. So, move that bit of the trim. Under here there is two 8mm bolts. There's one. There's the one. On the door handle, and just pulls out as well. Just remove that. A couple of wires for the electric mirrors and the electric windows. Bit of cowling for the speaker. Also remove this if you need to get to the mirror. There we go. So on the back of there you've obviously got the wires for the speaker and the wires for the electric mirror. And then go around the door and find the clips. This one here at the bottom. So just pull it off. This one was a bit tighter than usual. There we go. Just a bit of pulling that off. And there you go, one door card removed. Now it's held on place by these clips. Looks like the bottom ones have already came out, so we're going to have to take these out, and I'm going to refit the door card. Now here is the electric motor for the electric windows, and a bit unusual on this for cars, but this has got a solid metal window regulator. So with a power probe, just so get the window about halfway down, obviously if you can. So you can see that. So and that's how you remove the glass. Well, that's a guaranteed way of not breaking it, and just throw it on the floor. So the door lock has got some plastic rivets in place, so just get a pry tool and just push those in. You'll be able to get them out later. Undo all these bolts. It's a T25, I believe, on the lock. So just release that bolt.
Please remember to like and subscribe, as every subscriber does help me in making these videos.
Is it up? Or is it pushed that way? That way if it's going to go anyway.
So just release that. Release that rubber and all these clips. So just unplug all the plugs. So on this grey plug here, let's see, there's just a tab underneath. You just push down and slide the plug off. So that's your speaker assembly. Right, so I've got all these wires disconnected from the inside of this door. Just pull that away. Still got the door lock mechanism in. You can see that. So just push the wiring loom through this hole. Oh, there we go, so the wiring loom's through the hole. Right. How's that holding? Door catch. So door catch, got a plastic plug there, got the cable, so you just pull that up with a screwdriver and then you can just release the cable. So that takes your door handle, internal door handle off, and that can be passed through the hole there. Right, so there is your window regulator. So there's your window regulator. That's how it works. There's a motor there. So, and then if you needed to get to the speaker, if you haven't gone from the front, there's the speaker. Although it's riveted on, so it would take a bit of drilling out. Right, to remove the door handle. Down here, got a plastic clip cover, so take that out. In there, see if I can. Don't know if I can get that. Don't know if you can just see it in there. There's a T20 bolt in that. Right, so I've not taken it all the way out, but as you can see, you can now remove. There's it. So you can remove the lock. So I'll save that for the new door. And then if you're removing the handle, you just pull back. Just like slide it back, and then it just rotates and comes out. That's how you take a door handle off. I say the bolt's still in place in there. It's just taken off enough to move that cap. T20. This is to move the internal lock. Here is a T30. Three bolts. Okay, that's the side. So T20, and that, don't have to take it off completely. Push out any of the clips that are here, and then that is removing the door locking mechanism, or the door opening mechanism. I say the lock is separate. So to remove the mirror, 10mm nut on one side. Obviously best to get someone to just hold it so it doesn't fall off. Of course, I've already shown you how to take the plastic trim off here. And then there's some clips, so just push those clips in. We've got it. T20, I believe. Let's see. And that just comes away. So T20 in there, 10mm nut on there, and everything else is just held in with these clips here. So using a T40, and do the I don't know what they call these. Stops the door opening too far anyway. Do you know what they're called? Yeah, stops them opening too far anyway.
By removing this, it allows the door to swing open fully so you can get to the bolts better and the clips for the electrics. Here I'm trying to undo the electric plug by sliding it out. I'll show you a bit later on how it actually comes apart. I found the spanner on the bottom. I didn't have the leverage, so I needed to use a wrench. Or socket, should I say. By doing the top bolt first, I found that I could open the door a bit more to get to the bottom bolt. Before removing the door, make sure that you disconnect the electrics or have someone hold it while you work on the electrics.
A 13mm bolt, bottom.
Now, because I'm keeping this wiring loom, I've already passed it through the aperture of the door.
Use the spanner.
These are the same bolts that you use for lining up the door later.
I think it's out, isn't it?
Yeah, 13mm bolt at the top, and there you go, one door removed. So I can see why the door I purchased had the wires cut. That's the plug. It connects to the chassis. This piece here just goes through the bulkhead there. And to remove it, you just depress this clip here on that side, and there's another clip there on the top on that side. You just depress those two clips in, and then allows this unit just to pull out. And obviously once you've got the unit pulled out, you just, normal sort of automotive plugs, you just pull those out the back, and that allows you to do this. But as I need to keep this wiring loom because when the one I've got has been cut, I'm going to leave this plugged in.
So here I'm refitting the door. You need hand holding the door as you do up the bolts to begin with. So now it's refitting the door pretty much the same as it was for removing the door. So you have a bolt to attach at the top of the door and one at the bottom. These are the bolts that you use to adjust the alignment of the door later, so you don't need to do them fully uptight. So if you found this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Every subscription really does help, and these how-to videos are notoriously hard to get subscribers to, so every subscriber does help me. So here I am just tightening up the bolts while David holds the door. Just a word of advice, don't forget to swap your lock from your old door to your new door, so it now works for your keys. With central locking it can be easily overlooked. So please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.